How much bigger can this AI trade that already looms so large over our market really get?
We're still very, very early days of AI. And, I think if you look at AI, where we are now still in the beginning of building infrastructure, right? And it's building data center, it's building chips, it's building all the GPUs and things like that. So it's still very early of AI. And if you want to achieve that vision, that infrastructure you want to build, Nvidia has obviously significant lead on that. So if you believe in AI, if you believe that this infrastructure need to be built, they are the biggest player in the town.
How are you investing in that specifically?
So the way to, I think about it is that at the end of the day, what drive valuation of a stock? It's the company's ability to generate cash flow over the next 3 to 5 years. So you really have to think about it. Is that how much investment all of the AI customers of Nvidia has to make? And what are the profit that Nvidia can generate over at least foreseeable future? I think that's looks obviously very bullish. I think one area that I don't think anybody has clarity how long it will last and how it will continue, after everybody builds out the infrastructure. But the reality is, the inference, which is going to continue to grow and growing at a rapid pace, and you need NVIDIA GPU for that as well.
It feels like people are afraid to bet against it.
The AI trend is very real and it's very exciting, and I think it's very important for the US dominance in the global economy. So I think that's going to happen. The question always becomes how long, how fast, and how the optimization going to happen.
Venture capitalist Vinod Khosla recently said that almost certainly within the next 5 years, any economically valuable job humans can do, AI will be able to do 80% of. I mean, that just seems huge, doesn't
Yeah,
it? Like that's
yeah.
a big projection.
I want to be very skeptical about putting a timing on it.
Okay.
Obviously that 80% will happen at some point. I think what I found in my investment career in last 25 years, people throw those numbers and there is no consequences. But as an investor, you have to be thoughtful about it. What I learned uh, that it takes longer than people realize to things to happen. Even today, if you look at companies like Google or Meta or Amazon who are spending a lot of money on AI, we haven't seen a massive ROI or revenue boost from that yet. I don't know if it's going to happen in 5 years or not, but I think saying those kind of statements, I think it's hard to back it up.